So because we are not good with discipline while we trade, the system will take care of it. And that's something also that you have to remember. If you're new to trading or starting to trade differently, you use a bracket order, meaning that when you enter a trade, you already place your stop loss and profit target and you do not touch anything because you are putting the system to the test. And really, you have no idea how the price will reach your target or your stop. The price does what it should. So when you click that button, make sure that you accept the risk attached to it. Make sure that it's a trade that matches your system. Because then you sit on your hands. You have nothing else to do. Okay? Just surrendering and letting the market give you what it wants. You have no decision, nothing to do, no emotion. Whether you're excited or afraid or greedy, or it will not impact you because now the system takes care of the trade. Let the damn thing work for you. You worked hard in the preparation, in finding a strategy that you like, in putting the rules together. Now you entered, let the trade happen. So Mike is saying, what if the stock really runs and your take profit is too close? Again, Mike, that is called data. So you need to have a profit target that makes sense. And then you take samples of the same trade, at least 20 trades of the same setup, to have some idea of what the profit target should look like. So let's say that you start by saying, hey, on every one of my next 20 trade on this setup, I'm gonna go for 2 R's, which is very good, by the way, okay? And then you assess, well, 80% of my winning trade went to 3 R's, so I guess that for my next 20 trades, I will test that. I will test 3 R's or 2.5. Again, it's not something that we know in advance. We know it because we've done it so many times. We saw the market so many times. And also, you will need to see different market conditions. The market today is very different from the market I learned from. I was in a bear market. So going long for me still feels dirty at times. For real, right? I'm like, why taking bear? I just can take the elevator, right? I love bears. And like Thor, he's going for very large targets. He goes for 4 R's, sometimes more. But again, he has conviction because he's not balling around. Well, a little bit, I guess. But he knows because he saw its data. He's been trading for 9 years. So it takes time. And I read today that professional traders advise that we have around 5 years of market data to really know if something works. That's a lot. But that's also true. We need some time. That's why if you're starting, I highly recommend that at least your first year is in simulator. Because you want to build good habits. When you have good habits, then it's so easy to add more technicals or whatever you want to add, but your trading brain is already in a good spot. Okay? If you want to go too fast, what will happen is that you will want to trade live money too soon, and then you damage your brain. You lose that brain capital and you become scared and more emotional, and that's exactly what we don't want. Yes, emotional. So that's good, Mike. So I don't know if I answered your question properly, but I would say that you never know in advance. And sometimes the market trends, and that's awesome. But most of the time, it kind of stinks, right? So you need to take targets that are not home runs every day, because every day won't be like that. We have beautiful trend days, but you have to be ready to have a system that accounts for most of the time we don't, right? So trade management is having a system where you know exactly where your stop is based on technical levels. You also know where your profit target is on technicals based on a system that you created for you. Then you test it. It's really the test phase that will bring you more answers to the way you should manage your trade. I really don't know. Like, let's say that I trade the cams for the first time. I'm kind of still new to cam trading, but I don't have sufficient data to be sure that I should aim for a 3R trade every day, or that I should aim for the other side of the range. I really don't. So what I do most of the time is that I will take my profit at the central pivot, because I know there's a very high win rate of going there. And I prefer base hits, because base hits are building your capital, but also your emotional capital and your trust in yourself. So base hits are great when you're just learning how to trade, but also when you're testing a method. And then with more and more data, you can say, well, I guess I can have another profit target, something further away. Or maybe I partial somewhere, or I put my break even after some rules. Again, if you decide to put some rules in your trade management, it just has to be systematic. If not, you really don't know what you're doing, okay? Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series, and don't forget to like and subscribe.